we already studied the concept of similarity in standard 9. Now let's see some basic things. What is similarity? In a true triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R, means all three corresponding angles are congruent. And suppose length of AB is 2, BC is 4 and AC is 6, and the corresponding sides of AB in PQR triangle is PQ. Length of PQ is 4, QC is 8 and length of PR is 12. Okay. Now in these two triangles, all the three corresponding angles are congruent, means angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R. Okay. And now the corresponding sides are not congruent, means they are not, these two are not a congruent triangle. Okay. Then if the corresponding sides are not congruent, then find the ratio of corresponding sides. Okay. So we have to find the ratio of AB to PQ. Let's find out it. AB upon PQ is equal to, length of AB is 2, PQ is 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 upon 2. Similarly, find the ratio of all the three corresponding sides. BC upon QR, it's 4 upon 8, once again it is 1 upon 2, and AC upon PR, that is 6 upon 12, once again it is 1 upon 2. Okay. So all the ratios are equal. Okay. So if the ratio of all three corresponding sides are equal, then we can say the corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay. So what will we say? Corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay. And corresponding angles are congruent. Corresponding angles are congruent. Okay. Now, so these two triangles are called similar triangle. Okay. So what is similar triangle? In a given triangles, if the corresponding angles are congruent and corresponding sides are in proportion, then we can say that the triangles are similar triangle. Okay. But for that we need a given 1-to-1 corresponding between the vertices of two triangles, means corresponding vertex of A in a triangle ABC is P in a triangle PQR, means these two vertex should be corresponding. Okay. So by 1-to-1 corresponding, if the corresponding angles are congruent and corresponding sides are in proportion, then we can say that the two triangles are similar triangle. Okay. So to prove two triangles similar, we need 6 things. Which are those 6 things? That 3 corresponding angle should be congruent and 3 corresponding sides are in proportion. So 3 plus 3, total 6 condition. If the 6 conditions are fulfilled between the two triangle, then we say that those two triangles are similar triangle. Okay. Now let's see the test for similarity of a triangle. So we need 6 conditions should be fulfilled to prove two triangle similar. But out of 6, if any particular 3 conditions are fulfilled, then remaining 3 conditions will be automatically fulfilled. Okay. So group of those three conditions are called test for similarity. Okay, now we are going to see the test for similarity of a triangle in this video. The first is AA test, or we can say AAA test. Okay, so here we have two triangles, triangles ABC and triangle PQR. Measure of angle A is 70, measure of B is 60. Similarly here measure of P is 70 and Q is 60. Okay, so in these two triangles, two corresponding angles are equal, that means they are congruent. So in a triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q. Okay, so in a true triangle, if two corresponding angles are congruent, okay, then those triangles are said to be a similar triangle. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is by AA test. Okay, now we call this test is as a AA test. We can also call this test as a AAA test. Why? Let's see. Here, if the measure of angle A is 70, B is 60, then what will be the measure of angle C? It will be a 50. Okay, sum of all angle is equal to 180. 70 plus 60 is 130, and 50 will be the measure of angle C. Similarly, here also measure of angle R is also 50. Okay, now in this triangle all the three corresponding angles are congruent. Okay, so we can write here angle C is congruent to angle R. Okay, now the same test will become here A test, angle test. Okay, so in a two triangle, if all the corresponding angles are congruent, then these two triangles are said to be a similar triangle by either it is by AA test if we just consider the two corresponding angles. If we consider the three corresponding angles, then the name of the test becomes AAA test. Both are same. If we use just AA test, then also it is okay. Okay, now every time if we talk about any test, so first of all to write the definition, we have to write for a given 1-to-1 corresponding between the vertices of the true triangle, it should be compulsory. Okay, now let's talk about SAS test. Now here we have two triangle LMN and triangle RST. Okay, here we have a length of two corresponding sides and measure of one angle, means angle M and angle S both are denoted by same sign, that means they are congruent. Okay, now in this case we have to check the ratio of these two sides, corresponding sides. Let's check. In a triangle LMN and triangle RST, LM upon RS. Okay, LM is 2, RS is 4, so it is 1/2. Similarly, find the ratio of MN to ST. 2.5/5, it's 1/2. That means LM upon RS is equal to MN upon ST, means the two corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay, and what they have given another thing is angle M is congruent to angle S. Okay, so two corresponding sides are in proportion and angle between them is congruent, then these two triangles are said to be similar triangle by SAS test. So triangle LMN is similar to triangle RST by SAS test. Okay, so in SAS test, two corresponding in a two triangle, two corresponding sides should be in proportion and angle between them should be congruent, then those two triangles are said to be similar by SAS test. And finally SSS test, we have triangle PQR and XYZ. Let's find out the ratio of all the three corresponding sides, that is PQ upon XY 4 upon 2.4. if we remove this decimal, it become 40 upon 24. 8 5 8 3, so the ratio is 5 upon 3. Second is QR upon YZ, it's already 5 upon 3, there is no common factor, so the ratio of XR to YZ is 5 upon 3. And ratio of PR to XZ 4.5 and 2.7. 9 5 it's 2.7 and 9 3, so once again 5 upon 3. So here PQ upon XY is equal to QR upon YZ is equal to PR upon XZ. That means the ratio of all the corresponding sides are equal. That means they are in proportion. Okay, corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, these two triangles are similar triangle. Therefore, triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ, and it is by SSS test, side test. Okay, so this is how there are three tests for the similarity: AAA test or AA test, second is SAS test, and third is SSS test. Okay, we already studied about the congruency in standard 9. Let's see what is the difference between congruency and similarity. In a congruency, in a two triangles corresponding sides and corresponding angles both are congruent. Corresponding sides and corresponding angles are congruent. Okay, but here for similarity, corresponding angles are congruent and corresponding sides are in proportion. So this is a difference between the congruency and similarity. In a congruency, corresponding sides and corresponding angles both are congruent. Therefore, in a congruent triangle, if we cut the congruent triangle, then they are overlap on one another. Means if we cut this triangle and put it on this, then the both are overlap each other. Okay, but in similarity, it may be or may not be possible. Sometimes one triangle is smaller than another. Okay, so in this case, congruency, the ratio of corresponding sides is always 1. Ratio of corresponding sides is always 1. Okay, here it may or may not be 1. Okay, so this is another difference. The main difference is in a congruency we have 5 tests of congruency, and here test of similarity. Okay, now test of congruency. We have 5 tests of congruency. That is, first is S, second is S, third is A, fourth is A, and fifth is hypoxide theorem. We can also call this theorem as a RHS. Okay, but in case of this similarity, we have just 3 tests. That is, first is AAA, or we can say AA test. Okay, and second is SAS test, and third is SSS test. Okay, so this is the difference between the congruency and similarity.